Okay. So first of all, we will discuss the test. Okay. As before starting the chapter, discussion of the test we will discuss. Okay. Let's see. Right. MCQs are there. Right, beta? MCQs were there. Let's see. Kya the MCQs? Who will give the answers of these MCQs? After that, we will start the lecture. Yes, seed drill is used for. Seed drill is used for. Who will give the answer? Hurry up.
Sowing seed.
Sorry. Kharif crops are sown in Manya.
May, June.
Kharif crops are sown in
May, June.
May, June. Right. Which of the following is a rabi crop? Rice, maize, soya bean, mustard?
Wheat.
Wheat. Which of the following irrigation method is best suited for the areas with uneven land?
Drip irrigation.
Sorry? Which of the irrigation method is best suited for the area with uneven land? Sayam, what you had written? No one had? हाँ जी बोलो.
मैम चेन पंप.
Uneven land है बेटे. Yes, विश्वास.
मैम ऑल.
ठीक है. अदरवाइज अगर इसमें नहीं होता तो हम स्प्रिंकलर भी ले सकते थे, बट इसमें ऑल. द केमिकल यूज्ड टू कंट्रोल वीड्स आर कॉल्ड एंजल
Weedicide.
weedicides. The plant's root containing nitrogen fixing bacteria are Parisha P. The practice of growing two or more dissimilar crops in same field one after another is called
Crop rotation.
Chalo J.
Crop rotation.
Leveling of soil helps to prevent. Yes, Jayant. Leveling of soil.
Soil erosion.
Soil erosion. The process of loosening and turning of soil is called?
Plowing.
Right. Then the farm appliance combine is a combined. क्या है?
Harvester and thresher.
Cashew.
ठीक है जी. तो this was your test. ठीक है. Okay. Now let's start with the activity. Today's topic, right? Now, yesterday we were discussing about combustible substance, right? ठीक है. Yesterday we discussed the triangle of the combustion, right? In which we need combustible substance. What do you mean by the combustible substance? The substance that is used to burn, right? After that, the spotter of combustion, that is oxygen, right? These things we required. Now there is one activity in your book. Write down the name, and you have to write down this activity in the practical file also. Write down aim. All of you know how we have to write down. Okay, this activity you have to write down in the practical file also. Okay, to show that air is necessary for combustion. To show that air is necessary for combustion. So what material required? हमें इसमें क्या material चाहिए? ठीक है, the things that we require to do this activity is candle, glass jar. Write down material required for this: candle, matchstick, glass jar. Candle, matchstick, glass jar. ठीक है, कार्डबोर्ड भी ले सकते हैं, वी कैन इन्वर्ट द ग्लास जार. कार्डबोर्ड, right? This material we need, right? But we will do in this method. हम मेथड में क्या करेंगे इसके? What we will do, we will take a candle, burn it, ठीक है, place it on the table, right? दो तरह से कर सकते हैं. We can do like we can take a glass, ठीक है, इसमें हमने एक कैंडल रखी, इसको बर्न करा, right? Starts burning, right bete? After that put the cardboard over it, इसके ऊपर कार्डबोर्ड रख दिया. After some time what we will observe, the candle will extinguishes. The candle will extinguishes. Why it extinguishes? Yesterday we discussed that air is necessary for the combustion. You can draw this diagram also. You can do कि candle रखो, उसके ऊपर inverted glass, मतलब glass jar जो है उसके ऊपर रख दो, and you will observe, right? We will perform it. Wait, I have to switch off the fan. Let's see. I am having this glass jar, or you can say beaker, candle, and this matchstick. What first we will do? We will take a candle, burn it. Right? Place it on the table. Right? हम कैंडल को इसमें भी रख के ऊपर से कवर कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. And what we can, another thing we can do, inverted the glass jar over it. Immediately it extinguishes. Immediately it extinguishes. That means that oxygen is not present in the glass jar. That's why the candle is blown off. Is it visible? Right? Again, I'm showing. Look. Right? Then we can do inverted the glass jar over it. Right, bete? You can see abhi candle burn hai, right? As I am pouring, oxygen is used up and the candle extinguishes. That shows that air is necessary for combustion. That shows that air is necessary for combustion. You can perform the activity in that way also. You can burn the candle, place it here, cover it with the cardboard or with the paper, matlab a plate, anything. After that, you will observe that the candle will extinguishes. Getting my point? This activity that you have to write down in the practical file also. So in this activity, what we have to write down: aim, okay, material required, method, diagram, and then observation and conclusion. This shows that the oxygen is, yeah, air is necessary for combustion. This was the one activity. One way activities, they are also there in your NCERT, and you have to write down in the practical file. But today we will not perform that. I will do it tomorrow, right? I am just telling it to you. What is the activity? So next line लिखिए, attainment of ignition temperature. First हमारा हो गया, oxygen is necessary for combustion. Second is attainment of ignition temperature. Attainment of ignition Before that, write down the definition of the ignition temperature. What is the meaning of the ignition temperature? Write down. Write down the definition. The lowest temperature at which the substance burns. The lowest temperature at which the substance burns. The lowest temperature at which the substance burns. ठीक है, वो टेम्परेचर जहां पे सब्सटेंस बर्न कर जाए, it catches fire, that is called the ignition temperature. We can also write in a different way, the lowest temperature to which a substance must be heated to catch fire and start burning. But I think this is the easy definition, the lowest temperature at which the substance burns. This is called ignition temperature. For this, in your book, one activity is there. I'm just explaining the activity and we will do it tomorrow, right? What they had done, या what we will do, we will take a paper cup, ठीक है, या तो हम पेपर से फोल्ड करके we will make a paper cup, right? हमने एक पेपर कप बनाना है, या we can take a thermocol cup, जो थर्मोकोल है, और अदरवाइज यू कैन फोल्ड इट एंड मेक अ पेपर. यू कैन यूज अ पेपर लाइक दिस, वन फोल्ड अनदर फोल्ड, और उसको जैसे हम फिल्टर पेपर फोल्ड करते हैं, यू विल मेक दैट वन. ठीक है, स्टेपल इट. ठीक है जी, हीट दो बनाएंगे. वी विल मेक द टू पेपर कप्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ द पेपर, जस्ट फोल्डिंग इट, राइट. व्हाट वी विल डू, वन स्टेपल करने के बाद होल्ड द पेपर कप विद द हेल्प ऑफ द tongs or anything, right? Then we will burn it. What we will observe, immediately the paper cup starts burning. क्यों? वानिका क्यों? मान्या, प्रबलीन, why the paper cup burns?
Because paper
Because
has
it is a combustible substance.
Paper is a combustible substance, तो would be combustible substance है, but paper is a combustible substance, that's why it starts burning. It is only the reason.
It catch fire easily.
What is the reason? Because the paper has lowest ignition temperature. We are talking about the ignition temperature. Paper has lowest ignition temperature. अगर मैंने एक कागज को बर्न करा, all of you are aware कि जब वो होती है, लोड़ी होती है, we try to burn the wood, वो immediately burn कर जाती है. हमें efforts करने पड़ते हैं, है ना? क्यों? क्योंकि wood has more, like wood has high ignition temperature as compared to the paper. wood का ignition temperature paper के ignition temperature से ज्यादा है. Now what we will do in this activity, first we will take the paper cup and put it on the flame, it burns, right? After that what we will do, in another paper cup we will pour some amount of water. मतलब इसमें हम कैसे करेंगे, एक पेपर कप लेंगे ऐसे, ठीक है, इस पेपर कप में we will pour some water, ठीक है जी, इसमें पानी डाल दिया, we will heat it, हमने कैंडल पे रख के या बर्नर पे रख के we will burn it. Paper cup will not catch fire, ये बर्न नहीं होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि जो हीट आपने यहां से दी, that will transfer to the water, पानी गर्म हो जाएगा, that is through the conduction, the heat is transferred. Paper cup will not burn, right? When you will remove the water from it and again starts to burn, it will take a little bit time, but it starts burning. Is this point clear? Is this point clear? Ignition temperature, what does it mean? The temperature, the lowest temperature at which the substance starts burning is called the ignition temperature. Attainment of ignition temperature point is clear. अब सिंपली मैंने अभी आपको वही हम बात कर रहे हैं, लोडी की बात की मैंने कि ऑल ऑफ यू आर फेमिलियर विद दिस, ठीक है. दैट मीन्स हमें उसको क्या करना पड़ता है, अटेनमेंट ऑफ इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. हम उसमें क्या डालते हैं वेदांती, व्हाट वी यूज टू पुट इन द दैट पुट ऑन द वुड? न्यूज़पेपर. एनी अदर?
Kerosene light.
Kerosene oil. Okay. Any other? Yes, Hargun?
Petrol.
No.
petrol,
That is the rituals. We will not use these kind of the things, right? What we used to do, otherwise what we used to do, like we will pour the kapoor, camphor, जिसको हम बोलते हैं camphor, ठीक है, घी on it so that it will catch fire, है ना? As some of saying the kerosene, some are using, because kerosene, what does it mean? Kerosene has lowest ignition temperature. उसका ignition temperature बहुत कम है कि as you will show the fire, it catches fire. जैसे वो आग के कांटेक्ट में आएगा, it will catch fire. Ignition temperature का mean clear हुआ? Attainment of ignition temperature point is clear to everyone or not? Is it clear? We will do the activity by tomorrow. ठीक है जी? Next लिखिए. Next लिखो बेटा. Then what we will do, fire fighting. Write down fire fighting. ये activity कल करेंगे. Today all of you will perform one activity or write down in your practical file. Write down fire fighting. Next heading लिख लो. बीच में leave one page for that activity. Attainment of ignition temperature. हमने discuss कर लिया है, but by tomorrow we will write down. ठीक है? फायर फाइटिंग. अब what does it mean? What do you mean by the fire fighting? फायर फाइटिंग क्या है? ठीक है? टू कंट्रोल, मतलब फायर के लिए फाइट करना. दैट मीन्स टू कंट्रोल, कंट्रोल करना फायर को. ठीक है? टू कंट्रोल एंड extinguish the unwanted fire is called the fire fighting. ठीक है? To control and extinguish the unwanted fire. This is called fire fighting. That means हम उसके लिए fight कर रहे हैं जो unwanted fire है, that is not required to control and extinguish the unwanted fire. ठीक है? Write down fire fighting जो भी work है ना? Its principle, मतलब जितना भी इसका काम है, work is based on two principles. Write down it is based on two principles. कौन से दो प्रिंसिपल्स के ऊपर ये डिपेंड है? कोई बता सकता है मुझे? फायर फाइटिंग. फायर फाइटिंग मीन्स टू कंट्रोल, आग को कंट्रोल करना, और एक्सटिंग्विश, ये कौन सी चीजों के ऊपर डिपेंड है? क्या होना चाहिए जिससे फायर कंट्रोल हो जाए?
water.
हाँ जी.
The amount of fire.
अमाउंट ऑफ फायर को कंट्रोल करना है. मनीषा, हाउ वी विल कंट्रोल इट? आप क्या करोगे?
Cut off the
Air supply.
Sorry?
Cutting of air supply.
Cutting of air supply, because as already we had seen that oxygen is necessary for combustion. Very nice. ठीक है? Any other thing that is in your mind?
And we will pour water on the fire.
Pour on the water, that means हम उसकी cut off कर रहे हैं supply. Yes. ठीक है? So write
Temperature.
temperature. Write down it is based on two principles: bringing down the temperature, bringing down the temperature. उस टेम्परेचर को लोअर कर दो. ब्रिंगिंग डाउन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द बर्निंग सब्सटेंस, टेम्परेचर ऑफ द बर्निंग सब्सटेंस. दैट मीन्स जो उसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर है उससे उसको कम कर दो. ठीक है? बिलो द इग्निशन टेम्परेचर, बिलो द इग्निशन, उस टेम्परेचर से उसको लो कर दो. एक पॉइंट तो आपका ये हो गया. दूसरा मैं ऊपर लिखती हूँ. कटिंग ऑफ द एयर सप्लाई. cutting of, it is based on two principle. One is this, second, cutting of एयर सप्लाई, यानी कि स्पोर्टर को बंद कर दो और सब्सटेंस का टेम्परेचर लोअर कर दो. बाय बोथ वेज वी कैन कंट्रोल द फायर. बाय बोथ वेज वी कैन कंट्रोल द फायर, राइट. अब नंबर ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस कैन बी like are there in your book. We can frame number of questions. Yes, Prabnoor beta, unmute yourself beta.
Ma'am, we use fire exhauster, and ma'am, in which
Definitely.
category fire
अगर-
exhauster come?
अगर हम सॉरी रिपीट करो, क्या कह रहे हो प्रभनूर?
Ma'am, we use fire exhauster to finish the fire and
फायर एक्सटिंक्शर.
fire extinguisher.
फायर एक्सटिंक्शर प्रभनूर, why we are using? What is the purpose of using the
Ma'am,
fire?
Ma'am, to finish the fire or remove the fire.
यहाँ तो उसके ऊपर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आ गई. फायर एक्सटिंक्शर इज हैविंग द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वो उसके ऊपर आ जाएगी. तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉर्म्स अ ब्लैंकेट, दैट मींस इट विल कट ऑफ द एयर सप्लाई. तो हमारा दूसरा पॉइंट हो गया, कट ऑफ द एयर सप्लाई. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? इफ एनीवन विल से
Yes.
pour the water on it, अगर अब आप बोलो कि पानी डाल दे, तो what we are doing? पहला पॉइंट, bringing the temperature down. Getting my point? अगर हम फायर एक्सटिंक्शर्स यूज
Yes,
कर
ma'am.
रहे हैं, that means cutting of the air supply. अब क्वेश्चंस लिखो कि इनमें कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चंस बन सकते हैं. We cannot use, ठीक है, water cannot be used to extinguish fire in an electrical appliances. Water is not used to extinguish fire. Water is not used to extinguish fire in electric wiring. हम इलेक्ट्रिक वायरिंग, इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसेस पे, यानी कि जो आग इससे लगी हो, caused by the electric short circuit, ठीक है, caused by electric short circuit, वहां पे we are not supposed to या we are not able to use water. Why? क्यों नहीं यूज करते?
Ma'am, we can get electric shock.
Because water is a conductor.
Water is a good conductor of electricity. Water is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Water as the good conductor, it will, we will get the shock, right? Is a good conductor of electricity, and when we will pour on this thing, we can get the electric shock. ठीक है? Is that clear? Question is clear? Similarly, water is not used. अब एक तो हो गया इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस, यानी कि शॉर्ट सर्किट पे. एक हो गया वाटर कैन नॉट बी यूज टू पुट ऑफ फायर. वाटर कैन नॉट बी यूज टू पुट ऑफ फायर caused by oil, caused by burning of oil or petrol, caused by burning of oil or petrol. Why? हाँ जी, who will explain why?
Because water
Ma'am, the
will,
fire will increase.
One by
because
one.
water will not lose the
Water cannot
Let
extinguish
them
the caused by
Angel, wait. Yes, Manisha.
because water will not reduce the heat as oil will float on the water as
Why
because it is lighter
why
in
oil will float on the water? Why?
because it is lighter in weight.
Oil will float on the water ना, तो why? Reason क्या दे रहे हो?
Because it
Because
is less than.
lighter on grid.
We will write down. We are not, yeah, we cannot use water to put off the fire that is caused by petrol. अभी आप देखो आजकल बारिशें हो रही हैं, अगर हम लोग अपना एक्टिवा या कार निकालते हैं तो समटाइम यू सॉ कि ऑन द फ्लोर आपको वो ब्लू ब्लू चमकता नजर आता है कई बार, अ लिटिल ड्रॉप पेट्रोल की समथिंग, दैट इज floating on the surface of the water. Why so? Because water is heavier. So what we will write down in this answer, as water is heavier, okay, than oil or petrol, so it settle down, okay, at the bottom, and oil and petrol floats on the surface, and it is automatically, it will burn. So we will not use water to put a fire caused by petrol or oil. Write down the reason. ठीक है, these can come in the MCQ or the question, anything, मतलब you know. Is that clear, bete?